Hi, this is Zizan. Welcome to Module 2 of the CS 7013. In Module 1, we have studied Boolean logic and truth table and the methods for proving logic identities. In particular, we learned proving by comparison truth tables and proving by contradiction. In fact, Boolean logic forms an entire algebra by itself with just three operators, and, or, and not. The variables in Boolean algebra can have just two values, true or false. In contrast to normal algebra with real numbers, where variables can have infinite number of values and have five operators, plus, minus, division, and exponents. And normal algebra have five rules. They are commutative rule, associative rule, and a couple more, which you know very well. Boolean algebra, on the other hand, has a lot more rules, more than 15, though I haven't counted, with De Morgan's law you have just learned being just one of them. These rules are supported by Boolean identities. In this module, you will start by studying Boolean algebra and then move on to learn its application in digital electronics. I understand that you all have your own learning habit and styles. However, I would suggest you start by reading the class notes or the recommended textbook, but not the entire chapter, but one section of it, or when you stop, when you feel learn something or have a question. Then you start to watch the video presentation up to the same spot. The video presentation is inserted here, but watch to the same spot as you read the notes. Okay, and see if you understand better. And next, then you are going to use the handout to do some exercise and also just to the same section you have learned so far. And then you cycle back to the class notes and to study some more and so on. Okay, basically alternatively between notes, video, and handout, notes, video, handout, until you finish the entire module. Then it's time to do your homework. That's the way I suggest. Of course, you can choose your own way, and based on your background, you already had a lot. Probably some students just jump right into the homework. Well, if you can solve it, go for it. Okay. Another thing, Professor Brady Chen is a senior member of the computer science department. He is also teaching the same course, CSC 1713, this semester, except that it's face-to-face, whereas I'm in my first semester with the university. So we decided to synchronize the two sections in its contents, test, and schedule, so I can quickly adapt to the teaching and the learning environment here. As you may have noticed, the video presentation attributes to Dr. Chen, while I will add some short highlight videos later on, mostly in response to your questions and comments. Gradually, however, you will see more of my input to the course material and the course plan. So I hope you enjoy the course study and enjoy the day. Bye-bye for now.